All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays, and we begin in Baxter Springs with Elias Zom celebrating birthday number 3. Happy birthday, Elias.
All right, Georgia Johnson turning 8 years old this year. There she is with a Christmas picture there in Deerfield, Missouri, with love from Grandpa and Grandma.
And we've got Landon Baxter celebrating number 11 in Carl Junction with love from your mom, dad, and sister, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu student as well.
All right, and in Chanute, Carson Allen celebrating birthday number 11.
And over in Joplin, Briley Seacrest celebrating birthday number 14. Happy birthday, Briley.
All right, Michaela Richardson celebrating birthday number 26 in Jasper, Missouri, with love from Granny and Papa.
And we've got Denise Shoemaker in Humboldt celebrating birthday number 57. Happy birthday.
All right, and Ricky Harris turning 64 years old this year. Ricky is in Jasper, Missouri.
And last but not least, we wrap up with Sam Smith in Columbus celebrating birthday number 23. If you'd like to get your birthday or anniversary on the morning show, Tanya knows exactly what you need to do.
Yep, jot down one of these 2 emails, either birthdays, don't forget the S, at KOAMTV.com, or birthdays, again with the S, KOAMNewsNow.com. Make sure you send us your picture, their name, their hometown, and birth year and birth date for sure. Don't forget that as well.
Absolutely. And of course, if you're checking out our website, now you might be today and tomorrow for closings and the latest weather information, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some awesome deals from local businesses. You also get a cool birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the Birthday Club today.